Welcome to this video on the mechanics of ceiling fan capacitors. We will explore how these small components create the phase shifts necessary for a fan to operate and how to perform safe replacements. Single-phase induction motors, like those in ceiling fans, have a physics limitation. They lack starting torque. The single-phase power creates an oscillating, not rotating, magnetic field, which causes the motor to hum and remain still. The capacitor is the hero component that solves the starting problem. This device stores electrical energy and provides the initial torque, forcing the motor to spin. In phase 1, the capacitor acts as a start capacitor. It shifts the electrical current, creating a roughly 90-degree phase difference. This temporary second phase provides the initial push for the fan to start rotating. In phase 2, the fan enters a constant glide. The capacitor remains in the active circuit, acting as a run capacitor. It helps the circuit maintain a rotating magnetic field, allowing the fan to spin at a consistent speed. Essentially, the circuit utilizes a single power source. The capacitor splits this single phase into two, converting single-phase power into a dual-phase force to run the motor. A functioning capacitor optimizes the fan system. It reduces overall power consumption, and the phase shift prevents motor overheating. The smooth magnetic field also minimizes motor noise. A faulty capacitor shows distinct signs. The fan may spin slowly, even on the highest setting, hum loudly on startup, or require a physical push. The motor may also struggle and overheat. Safety is paramount. Capacitors hold a lethal electrical charge even after the power is off. Technicians must turn off the main power using the circuit breaker and safely discharge the old capacitor before replacement. The replacement requires exact specifications. You must match the exact capacitance rating, such as 1.5 to 3.5 microfarads, and the exact voltage rating, for example, 440 volts. Incorrect values will permanently damage the fan motor. The capacitor is the invisible force that overcomes single-phase limits. It generates the necessary starting torque and maintains a smooth rotation, ensuring the fan operates efficiently and quietly.